internet activist, social network soldier, YouTube revolutionary, never in